I guess you can break a sewage pipe outside somebody's home and not tell them and get away with it, huh? I guess you can run sewage and detergents into a stream that's supposed to be protected and get away with it. Why? Because the people that are in the park are dead.
And it says in Dean's letter, we started dealing with Robert Burley, the park manager. The information about the park needing a treatment plant was explained to Mr. Burley. Mr. Burley informed us that he was not the owner of the property. It says our research led us to find that the property is deeded to Melvin and Lois Wyatt, who are both deceased. And the tax records are listed under Melvin and Lois Wyatt in care of Donna Lamborn.
When I walked in my mobile home and see my son the way he was sitting on the couch, is something, it doesn't matter, I will never forget. And someone's going to be held responsible for doing that to my son. He hasn't been able to play football. He hasn't been able to go hunting. Right now he's laying at home and he don't feel good.
Next message.
Hi Barbara, this is Chuck Faree from the Department of Environmental Protection. It's about 3:30 on Thursday, August 26th. Just trying to get back to you about the Lamborn Mobile Home Park situation. You had called, I think, yesterday afternoon. This morning, both Rick Barrett and Dean Schuler went to the mobile home park, and that pipe to the creek is capped, and it is not flowing anymore. So there's no sewage going into the stream. So my involvement's pretty much over. As far as your trailer is concerned, I talked to the park manager, Bob Burley, and Glenn Wenzel, I guess his name is, the owner.
According to your voice recorder, the gentleman at the DEP is saying that Wenzel is the owner.
Correct.
But you have documentation saying otherwise?
Well, I went to the recorder of deeds at the Bedford County Courthouse, and it's recorded under Melvin and Lois Wyatt in care of Donna Lamborn. Now, I guess she's paying the taxes. She's the overseer of the estate. Then I had found an article agreement. See, that's dated the 25th of 1975, March 27th. Or no, it's March 25th, 1975. It's article agreement between Melvin Wyatt and Lois Wyatt and Naomi Wenzel, which is Glenn's mother, and Glenn Wenzel. And this is the article agreement to purchase that property from them with Glenn Wenzel and his mother.
Okay, now that article of agreement is really not valid unless it is registered with that office that you're holding up there.
Correct.
That was pulled from the office
Today.
when? Today.
Yeah, I got
May the
this today.
17th.
Yes, May 17th, 2011.
And according to them, the owner is Melvin and Louise Wyatt in care of Donna Lamborn.
Yes.
Now, Donna Lamborn is the one who is being sent the tax stuff each year.
Yes.
So how does Wenzel fit in all this if he's not the registered owner?
Well, in Dean Schuler's report, it says there's a three-way agreement between Robert Burley, Donna Lamborn, and Glenn Wenzel.
Robert Burley, the park manager.
Yes, he's the one that took over after Donna was done managing the park for her dad. But what I believed was Donna was doing this for her father because he was purchasing, from what I believe, and what I was told, that he was purchasing this off of Glenn Wenzel.
Okay, so do we have any idea when someone is going to actually make this change at the recorder's office?
No, I guess we could ask.
Because technically, according to the recorder's office, The owner is Melvin and Louise Wyatt and taking care of Donna Landlord. Now, even though we have an article of agreement here, this article of agreement, if this was paid off in full, he would still have to record this up here at the courthouse.
You would think.
Well, that's what the law states. So,
Well, apparently in this situation, a lot of laws are getting broken. And it's been quite a long time. According to Dean Schuler, this has been an ongoing mess, I guess, with the sewage since 1978.